Virgos, welcome to the Cosmic Junkie. And I'm going to do a full moon reading for you. Crazy enough, it is the full moon in Virgo, the worm moon. So let's tap right in real quick. I lovingly call upon our ancestors, angels, spirit guides, and anything and everything divine and holy of the highest white light for our highest good. Please help me channel a full moon message for our Virgos at this time. Bless this reading, this channel, and these viewers with your divine love, protection, and guidance. We thank you with all of our love and gratitude. Okay, so the channeled message that I got for you Virgos are, somebody is looking at a small space. I feel like there's something about organizing a small space here. There's something to gain, some kind of system, that could lead to other things. Okay, I also heard the number 1666. I automatically took this to be a year, and whenever I looked it up, this was the year of the Great Fire of London. But what caught my eye the most was Isaac Newton developed differential calculus during this year. Also, Samuel Morland designed several pocket calculating machines. Okay, so it was a big year in mathematics, and it does not surprise me that it was a channel message within Virgo. Okay, Virgos make really good accountants, mathematicians, that kind of thing. So if this resonates for you, if you are good with numbers, if you are good at math, if you are good at any kind of patterns and analytics, Spirit, I think, wants you to kind of dip your toes into that path if you haven't already. Okay, so let's get into the reading here. I heard some of you might have like Libra placements. Libras can be kind of messy. So surprisingly enough, not all Libra. It really depends on, the placements in your chart, whether you're a messy person or not, or an organized person. Okay, you could be a Virgo and still be messy and still have a hard time organizing. It just depends on where you have Virgo in your chart, or where you have messy zodiac signs in your chart, right? So if you are having trouble organizing, definitely have a look at your chart, okay? To help you understand yourself better. All right, so what do we have for Virgos this full moon? What do we have for Virgos? This deck is very sticky. It's building blocks. What did I say? Okay, so there is something here that, or someone that is watching my channel that kind of reminds me of Tetris. Virgos are very good at seeing patterns in things. And yeah, there's something that's 28 breaking down to a 10. There's something here with that, you guys. Just saying, okay? You might be building some solid foundations for a future endeavor as well. What else do we have for our Virgos? Illumination. Maybe you just need a sign. Maybe you just needed a sign. Need a sign. If you need a sign on something that you're thinking about, on something that you have a very solid foundation with, take this as your sign, okay? Guaranteed success. Wowzers. What do we have for Virgo? Success assured with good plans and hard work. Like, I couldn't make this up if I tried, right? I couldn't make it up if I tried. So, just saying. Victory in some endeavor. Yeah, you're being called to do something. Here. What else for Virgo? What else for Virgo? There we go. Someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. So this might be why you could be sitting on the fence. You're just stubborn. There's nothing wrong with being stubborn. Okay, just saying. Just look up stubborn in the dictionary and you'll probably see my face. What else do we have for Virgos? Don't make me go through the whole deck. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. Fox on the bottom, shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. Okay, so you might just have like just a go-get-em attitude. And that's okay. That's okay. Use the Accurate AF deck here. Yeah, I feel like there's some cycle that you've completed here with this 28. And it's time to move on to the next step here. The next step, more wiser. Okay, yeah, there's definitely been like a rest. Time and rest. Four of Cups. Okay, so something might need some contemplation and some reevaluation here, okay? Something you're manifesting, maybe even some kind of collaboration here. The King of Rings. This is definite Virgo energy here, you know. Like you're just good with numbers, responsible. It says abundance here. So you might be an abundant person, but you might not be feeling very abundant at the moment, okay? I do get that. Might be going through some domestic woes or just slowed down, bogged down with something as well at the moment. What is this egg? Okay. All right, this definitely something you're not satisfied with. If you're not satisfied in some kind of endeavor, do some reevaluation, okay? I'm not saying you need to change the endeavor. 3 of coins here on the bottom of the deck, okay? You're definitely not quick to act. Maybe you need to do some more research. I did just see the reverse Page of Swords. I saw the reversed Queen of Rings. You might be dealing with a reverse Queen of Rings. Okay, yeah, there might be some drama. This could be, you know, with a business partner, some conflict of some kind, some fighting, arguing something here. Okay. The Magician. Maybe you're fighting to manifest something here, okay? Yeah, there's some kind of change that was had, some kind of abrupt change that has happened here. Possibly with some travel. I just saw the Chariot, and then the Mule is here. You know, mules, you know, when you think of mules, you think of like pack mules, right? The 3 of Swords. No, 8 of Swords. Sorry. I always, yeah, the Eight of Swords. Okay, so you're definitely, somebody here is not very willing to change something, okay? There's something that you're in definite mental conflict with, self-entrapment here. The Two of Wands, independence and achievement. I do think whatever this is just like in your head. You do have the resources to, you know, move forward here, okay? The reverse Queen of Swords on the bottom of that deck, okay? You could be dealing with multiple unsavory people, okay? What is this Eight of Swords? The Chariot. Justice. You might be in your head about traveling here. Traveling. You might need to travel for some resources here. Oh. Whatever it is, I don't... Yeah, it's something that you need to hold on to. You probably need to let go of. The intentions might be a little off here, okay? I don't see the Hangman or the Hermit, but I wouldn't be surprised if they come out, because I feel like there needs to be a shift in perspective here, okay? The Wheel of Fortune. Unsettled times, need to plan ahead. Okay, this right here, this Wheel of Fortune, it says adaptation, elevation. Okay, there's something, I mean, I feel like this is a fated change. It's going to change no matter what. So either you roll with the punches, or it's going to, the more you struggle against it, it's kind of like being in a river, like a raging river, and you're trying to go up the river, but, you know, you can't, because it just carries you back down, right? So I feel like the more you go with the river, even whenever it's raging, okay, the easier this is going to, whatever this change, whatever is going on here for you, it's going to be different for everybody. You know, I don't like to get very specific in collective readings, but yeah, whatever this could be for you, you might just have to roll with the punches, because Spirit is saying it's going to happen anyway, and there's nothing you can do about it. What else for this kangaroo? The reverse Two of Rings. Also about adaptability here. With it in the reverse, there's somebody here okay, the Six of Cups is here and it's sideways. Okay, so somebody is going back and forth between nostalgia and also dwelling about something in the past here. Okay, you can't move forward. Time moves forward no matter what, right? So if you're stuck in the past, time's going to keep moving forward anyway. This is you resisting the flow. And honestly, like right here, I see this Aquarius sign, and you see how it looks like water flowing. Yeah, that's kind of like resisting the flow. It's gonna happen either way. This is gonna happen. And you might not realize it, but this might be a good change for you, okay? You might not be seeing everything super clear, especially if you are in this Eight of Swords, reverse Two of Rings energy, okay? The Ace of Rods. There's a new start here. There's a new start here. You or somebody in your energy might be codependent. This might be what that is. You or somebody in your energy might be codependent. Like this, okay, so this is what it feels like. This is just an example. So let's say you're in a relationship with somebody, okay? Or a business relationship or some kind of something, okay? This person that you're with is just not satisfied with how things are going. You're arguing, fighting, there's conflict here. So this person is deciding to hop on the chariot, maybe do things a different way. The chariot doesn't always mean like travel. It just means like forward movement. So maybe this person has decided to switch things up a bit to balance things out, okay? But someone else doesn't like this. Someone else is going against this grain, okay? But Spirit is saying it's going to happen anyway, even though it's not going to feel like a victory with this Six of Rods upside down and these unsettled times here. That it's going to come out for the better anyway, all right? You know, I feel like there's strong foundations here. You do need to go with the flow. You do. It'll be easier on you. Right now, you're not being too easy on yourself, okay? And I know Virgos are very... Oh, you know, I feel like you have to have everything in order. Like you like everything kind of organized and orderly. But Virgos are also flexible and adaptive, okay? So definitely do some communicating. I don't understand why this could be somebody in your energy not wanting to go with this change as well. Take it where it resonates, okay? The King of Blades. Okay, so this could be an air sign butting heads with you here. King of Rings, okay? This could be an air sign. Especially if they're like a fixed air sign. Like an Aquarius. Like an Aquarius. Could definitely be an Aquarius. You know, Aquarians do like to do things their own way. And very determined and steadfast as well. So, yeah, I mean... Yeah. Okay, so what is this reverse Two of Rings? You might feel like this person has, or they might feel like you have like misplaced priorities, like you're not able to juggle things properly. Or you feel like they're not able to juggle things properly. Four of Elixirs again. Wow. It started with the Four of Cups and ended with the Four of Cups. Yeah, okay. I feel like somebody was quick to do something. Somebody was really, really quick to do something here. Yeah, definitely some re-evaluation here, Virgo, either on your part or their part, or, you know, if it's them that's going against the grain, if it's them who's being stubborn, then you definitely just keep trucking, because whatever you want to happen is fated to happen anyway, okay? And with this Ace of Rods, it's going to work out, okay? It might just be saying this King of Blades here is going to be in a little bit of regret, because, you know, who likes to be proven wrong? Nobody, okay? So, yeah, just keep trucking. Just keep trucking, Virgo. Yeah, look, the reverse 9 of the coins again. What is in the shadows that needs to come to light? Spirit for Virgo full moon. The Specimen. This is all about, you know, observing something here. Okay. A prime example, something that needs to be studied, containment, feeling cramped or restricted, okay? Somebody here could be feeling cramped and restricted, okay? All right. This could be you. This could be this person, this King of Blades here, all right? But that could be why they're going against the grain, or you're going against the grain. You're feeling a little trapped in this situation. Well, you know, if you're in this Eight of Swords, whoever's in this Eight of Swords, whoever's being stubborn, they feel trapped. They feel trapped. So definitely, yeah, like Four of Cups, Four of Cups. Let me get some Astro. Ooh. Fifth house could be significant here. This is, you know, your passions, desires, romance, creativity. Reverse Gemini. This is Mercury energy. Okay, so I feel like there's some kind of communication lacking here. Okay? There needs to be some kind of communication. Conjunction, unity, individuation, inner self, self-motivation, concentration, personal interest. You might need to see what planets conjunct in your chart, or if there are any conjunctions that could help you out here about personal interests and unity, how you unify with this person. Nurture, and that's in reverse. There's something that's not being nurtured here. And this could be a love relationship, but I don't know. I don't feel any love here. I don't feel any love here. This could just be business, like a business partner. Uranus. Aquarian energy in reverse. Innovation, discovery, individuality, technology. Okay, there's something here that needs to be reevaluated, and that could be with anything with organization, the mathematics of whatever, the accounting of whatever this is. Something here needs to be reevaluated. Okay. Some kind of system. The channel message was small space organization. So this could be something really, really small that's being overlooked here to find a resolution. So anyway, I hope this helps. I hope this brought you some clarity, guidance, validation. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that here. Thank you for this message, Spirit, and I hope all you Virgos have a happy full moon.